Hello my dear student, welcome to my channel Let's Learn Computer, and today I will tell you about that how you can insert a new element in the sorted array, and in the Python language we will call array as list. So the main topic is that how you can insert a new element in the array or the linear list. So when we are talking about inserting a new item in the list, it is very complicated to create the place to insert a array, and in order to maintain the ascending or the descending order of the list also. So when we are working with the Python, this is very simple with the help of the bisect module. And the bisect module simply offers an algorithm that can be used to insert a new element in the sorted array while maintaining the list as it was previously ordered. Means if you are inserting a array in the ascending order and you are inserting a new element in the list, and after the insertion of the list, what will happen? The list is still in the ascending order. So the bisect model implements a function named insert, and in this method, with the help of the insert method, you can simply insert a new list in the already sorted Python list. And what if the list already has existing element? Then what will happen? Then the new element is inserted into the right of the last such existing element. Okay, so how it will work now? As you can see in the diagram, we have a list like 1 2 4 5 6, and we will have to insert 3. And with the help of the insert function, what will happen? The simply 4 5 6 will be shifted this side, and there is a place created for the value 3, and the value 3 is inserted in the list. But when we were working about any other language like C, C++, Java, the shifting will be handled by the programming. You will have to include few codes in your program. With the help of that code, the element will be shifted one place in order to create the place of the new element. But with the help of the insert method, bisect module, it is really easy to implement the insertion in a sorted order. So I will show you with the help of a program in the Python that how you can implement it in the Python language. As you can see that there is a program written in Python language. First of all, that I had already told you that bisect is a module that offers a function insert. With the help of that insert function, you can insert a new element in the list. So first of all, for using the function of the bisect module, you will have to import the library or the module in your program. So in the first line, the import bisect method will import the bisect module into your program. In the second line, I had taken an empty list in order to take the elements from the user, and simply in the line number 3, I am asking that how many total elements the user wants to enter in the list. Means the total number of elements in the list. For example, the user had entered 5. Then what will happen? For I in range A, there is a for loop. The starting is 0 and the step size is 1, and this function move at that time that the user has entered. And for every cycle of the loop, a new element will be asked from the user, and that particular item will be appended in the last of the list. Or simply you can say the line number 4 5 6 is are also used when you are asked to insert a particular value in the list that is not sorted. Then you have to simply append the list in the item in the last. So with the help of the append function, what you can do, you can simply add a new element in the last of the list. But in this function but in this program, the list is sorted, and you will have to enter the element in order to maintain the sorted order. So in line number 7, I had applied a function sort, and the sort function will sort the list in the ascending order. And there is one more caution, that the bisect method or the bisect module only work when the list is sorted in the ascending order. If the list is sorted in the descending order, then the list will not work. So if the list is in the descending order, just implement a function, that is reverse function. The reverse function sort the arrangement in the ascending order. So now moving forward, the 9th line will asking a value that to be inserted in the list, and in line number 10 the insert function is applied. It takes two values as the parameter. The first, that is list in which the value to be inserted, and the second parameter, the value that you want to insert in the list. And just applying a simple function, the new value will inserted in the sorted list at its proper place. And in the line number 11, you are simply printing the list after the inserting of the element. So now I will run the program. As you can see, there it is asking for a element, total number of element, like I had entered 5, and now you will have to enter the 5 elements for the list, like 6, 1, 8, 5, 0. As you can see that I am entering value in the random order, in any order, but I had applied the sort function, then the list will get sorted. And you can see the list in the sorted order 0, 1, 3, 5, 8. And now I want to insert a value 2. So according to the order, the value 2 is inserted at the place like 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now see, and you can see that just by applying a simple bisort module and insert function, you can simply insert a value in the sorted list. So this is a program in the Python through which you can implement the function. Thank you.